Hello to everyone. This is DIY Mafia Boss, and I'm going to do an unboxing of this package that I just received today. I ordered this off from Amazon and it arrived about 3-4 days later. Okay, so it's now here. I'll do an unboxing, but not a review. What's inside here is something that I could use in my up and coming blogs, and I particularly ordered this so I could use this on my trip to Disney Resort in Orlando this Christmas. Okay, so now I'll open the box. And let's see. Okay, and the box came in this some sort of a Christmas decorated tape, which I'll be opening right now. I'm using the bottom part of this box to open, so I won't ruin the return address. So here it is. This is all from Amazon, and yeah, the order, I ordered this last November 28th. I'm sorry, I ordered this last November 27, and it's for an Olympus stylus TG tracker 4K action camera, water shock, freeze proof, and it's green in color. It actually comes in black and green. So okay, so here's the box. It's quite a rather small box. It's supposed to contain, let me get this out of the way, it's supposed to contain everything that I need. I hope it's all in here. So okay, so it's not really a how do you say this, an official looking Olympus box, unless of course the official looking Olympus box is inside this non-official looking Olympus box. Whoops, no, it's not. Okay, so take that away. Okay, so it's supposed to contain the battery. Oh good, this is the lens protector. This is the camera itself. Oh, and by the way, right now I'm shooting this video with an Olympus camera, just the same color as this one. It's the Olympus stuff, and yeah, it's giving me good videos, but I thought of getting one of these so that I could do multiple points of view or angles or something that I want to shoot. So right here, it's right off the box. It's the Olympus TG tracker. It's quite a small camera compared to my hands, so I could use this or hold this with just one hand, and it actually fits perfectly well inside in my hand. And yeah, okay, good. Everything seems to be okay. Nuts and bolts all here. Okay, and then it has its wrist strap, and then it's the charging cable, I guess, and the pistol grip. Good thing they gave me this, and of course the what's this? The power box to charge the camera. Okay, take this box away. Okay, so now let's open all of this, put it all together. Okay, now I'm trying to look for where the batteries would go in. It's a bad thing that the sad thing about me is that I try not to read the instructions even before I start operating anything. So now I'm having a hard time with this. Okay, so open, and it says there's swing open. Okay, there you go. Okay, slot for the battery and the probably Micro SD card. It uses a micro SD card. I'm surprised. Okay. Although I have lots of micro SD card in stock, so no problem. So the battery is a Olympus L1 or Li92B. Okay. I don't know if it's charged up, but let's see. So positive and negative, it goes in like this. Okay. And then let's see if it's running. If the batteries are charged, so you have a flip open screen. Okay, so where's the on and off switch? Okay, on switch is this one here. Ooh, no SD card, it says there. Have this never been used micro SD card, and let's put it in the slot here. Which side, which phase is phasing which? Okay, let me try this. Oop, yeah, okay, fits perfectly. Okay, so in here I have an HDMI slot and a USB charging port. Okay, let's close now. Come on, I'm excited. Okay, turn it on again. Switch is on this side. Okay, so it tells me to set the date and time. Okay, let me just press OK. Is it? I'm not even sure if it's. This is touchscreen. I don't think it is. It is. So I'll just press OK. Set. Okay. Back. Okay. So I'm gonna just set this year 2016, 18. Yes. Okay. 2018. Let me go get the month. The month is okay 12, and right now it's December 3rd. The time is okay. The time is 12:18 in the morning. So let's get this going. Come on. Ooh. Okay. So it comes in the military style time. Okay, and then let's get the minutes going. 18. Let's just put 19 instead. So right now it's not yet recording, but let me see. What's this? Okay, so this means I could switch this off. Is that it? I really should be. Okay, I really should be reading the instructions for this. Oh, no, I don't. Okay, let me snap this on. Okay, push this like this, I guess, and then let's twist it. Okay, oops. Is it recording? Okay, let me just. Okay. Okay. So this one's supposed to be a lens protector when you're going underwater. The other one that I just took off, I think it's more of your regular lens that you use on a daily basis. Okay, let me just put this back on. Okay. Now, let's see what else. Okay, what else? Come on. Okay, so menu. Let me go to menu. Loop off. Okay. Now it says here it's 4K, but how would I go from 4K to yeah. Okay, anyway, I think I really should read the instructions for this before I start operating it. And there you go. Olympus TG 'G' 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 ' Wi-Fi, GPS, the works. Hopefully I get a lot of mileage out of this. I'll fill you in on how it works and what I've used it for so far in my next video. So thanks for watching.